Okay, I am so glad that we bought this charging station. It is charging our tablet, our iPad. It came with a bunch of different cords for connections, with different ports. It even came with this USB. If you have a fast charging, I'm not good with technology, so I'm not sure what kind of port this is. But yes, you just plug it in, and you can charge one, two, three, four, five, 6 devices at one time. And you just put them in the docking station, and everything's charging, and it's a fast charger. Just plug it in. These are under $20 right now. Make sure you go to that orange cart and get yours now.